go. This is the sign out of all these hotshots and politicals are making their speeches. This is the sign that they unveiled the other day. Thought I better follow this up. And they've also put a sign on the building, although the sign on the building was already put this way. Did a pretty nice job putting it up. As you can see, all the politicals are gone. And everything's pretty much back to normal here. Of course, we have the period lighting here that's kind of cool at night, I guess. Usually most people here don't work at night, but there might be a few. Yep. So now when I go to work, I see 3 new letters. B-A-E. Luckily I didn't spell it wrong.